Hello, hello, hello. All right. So I had stained a board, and what I had planned for it, my stain is dark, so I don't really think what I have planned for it's gonna show up really good. So we're gonna open this first. If you hop on, just drop a comment and say hey. You can also just comment replay so you can come back. So, watch it later. All right, let's open this bad boy. Let's see what's in here. I can just tear this up. Yes. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna get that out. Yes. Fonts. Can never have too much font. One of my favorites too. And then the buffalo plaid. Love, 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 love this. And then the Eats Transfer. Isn't it cute? Let's see if I can. Hold on. There you go. Now y'all can see it. Okay. And then some goodies for those of you that ordered. I will get these out to you ASAP. The little mermaid. Cute. Boots and bling. Some paste. Some more Fuzz Cloths. And these are awesome. So you don't have to like use a towel or like I've been doing so it'll leave so much fuzz. They're made for transfers. So glad they came out with those. And I believe the measurements are 12 by 18, I want to say. All right, so let's put this up. How's everyone doing tonight? I know I've got a headache. But I had a good day. It was so pretty, y'all. So pretty. It was wonderful to see the sunshine for a change. Okay, so here is the stain board. It's gonna turn this into either a serving board or a, they call it a lazy Susan. But I'm undecided what I want to do. Eat would have been cute, but it's, let's see. I don't think so. The handles would kind of cover it up. I'll show y'all the original plan. Was this beautiful transfer right here. Simply blessed. How did it flip back around? Okay, now y'all can see it. Wow, okay. So that, and that's a cotton wreath, but they're normally brown, so I don't know. Undecided. And I might have to come back and do it. I don't know. Because like I said, my head is killing me. I wanted to open that with you guys. Hop on and say hello. Let's see. I got some crosses. I thought about that too. And then because Easter's coming, putting the wreath around it. And he has risen. Matthew 28:6 on there. But I wouldn't be able to do the cross brown. I don't think it would shine on there really good. I could do like a grayish color or something. This is one of my favorites. They're all my favorites. What am I talking about? Let's see. Or I could do, let's see, something like this. Put the chickens on there. And then put farm fresh eggs. Can't really see it. It's in there. Eggs. Like farm fresh. And then eggs at the bottom. That might be cute. Let's see. Or just do farm fresh and maybe some eggs down there. Oh no, y'all. Don't know. I think I might do this. Save something calling out to me. My rooster's not here, so. And it's already been buffed, so we should be good. I hope so, because I would die if something happened to my chickens. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So, let's see. I'm trying to think where my handles are going to be. Oh. Alright, let's just leave that there for now. Grab some squeegees. And some stirs. Okay. Try that farm fresh. I think I have one open somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. I'm in a different spot today. Aw, did I cut the wrong thing? Ooh, no. Okay. So what do y'all think we should do to the board? Don't know. I think I'm gonna go farm fresh eggs, if it looks right. Farm fresh. They're new. Let's see. I wish I had whole eggs. Like, this is the add-on. That's why they look like that, because they can go in a truck. Okay, so buffing is important. So. Hey, Paige. You probably like this one, doing the chickens. I don't know what else to do because I don't think that other's gonna look right. I don't really like the whole. It would be different if it was strawberries from that picture I showed you, but I don't know. That would have been cute. So, just don't like those eggs. I could use font. So farm fresh. Let's go with that for now. Okay. Oh my goodness, I love it. Keeps my transfer clean. So wonderful, you guys. You have no idea. Okay. And that's just gonna loosen that adhesive so it comes off the board really good. So, maybe the imprint in the, oh, that's funny. Okay. All right. All right. I might have to open a new one. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I can't pick up nothing with these nails. Nothing. Yeah, I might have some. I might have enough. It don't take much. So, again, make sure you don't have any bubbles. No bubbles. Around where you're going to be chalking or inking. You want it to go through that mesh, that silk screen transfer, to give you that beautiful finish. I think we're good. Now, let me see how this is going to look. Farm. Let's see. Farm. Of course, I'm not going to chalk like this, but I'm just trying to see what it looks like. So, like, farm fresh. And eggs is too big. I believe eggs is too big. What did I do with eggs? Let's move my chickens up. Huh. Now what did I do with my eggs? Y'all, I'm losing it tonight. Okay. I don't like that at all. Okay, so let's just do the chickens for now to stay safe. So I figured out what else we can do to this board. What did you say? It will look great when you're done. Yeah, I hope so. so it will be pretty. Okay, so let's loosen this up just a little, just because there's not a whole lot left. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm just gonna do up here, and then I think when I squeegee down, it'll just carry through that mesh. Okay. Let's try and see. Yes. You know, and I probably could have like done the grass, and then if I wanted to go back, I can always chalk on top of it. Like go back and do the feet, like if you decide to or want to. Okay. Down. Get in that really good. Uh-oh. No, we're good. It's just space, so we're fine. I think we're in there. I love this squeegee, y'all. Love this thing. Hey, Cindy. Okay. So, just gonna scrape off the extra in here. Get everything out of my way. This is not my original setup, but y'all don't want to look behind me and see what my table looks like right now. It's a hot mess. It is a hot mess. Okay, so let's hurry up and get this off before it dries. I love it. Love it. Look at that. Yes. Like I said, can't go wrong with the chickens. Okay. So hold on, let me stick this in the bath right fast. I think I leave the camera just about every time that I go live. All right, my water done went through the drain. Okay, so now we have chickens. Now I don't know where to go from here. What do y'all think? Should I add the farm fresh? Love it! Isn't it cute? Okay. What do y'all think? This doesn't take long to dry, but you want to make sure it's dry before you lay down another transfer that could, you know, touch these chickens. And then, because I want this to stay as a permanent setting, I used paste. I didn't use ink, which is fine. And then I'm just going to seal it with some poly. What do y'all think, ladies? Should I add farm brush? I don't know what I want to do. Let's see. What should we do? Should I leave it straight? Or should I do it like that? if I like that. I might have to do it like, I don't know. That's cooking. Okay. There's something on there. Hey, honey, will you turn whatever that is? I thought I turned it off.
Did you go live?
I am live.
Oh.
Does it say?
Okay. It's gonna be a little loud because I gotta put my clothes in the dryer.
Oh, that farm life? Good thinking. Life is better on the farm transfer. Is that what you're referring to? I think so. Let's see. Hold on, I'll grab it. We'll look. Something is on there. What did I do? What did I do? All right, hold on. Let me grab that one. Let's see.
Mom.
Hold on, baby. I'm live. I'm trying to.
I know. Are you gonna clean this up before you go to bed?
Of course. Of course, honey.
Just put this bacon up.
Yes. Here, go on somewhere. I know what I gotta do. Okay.
Right?
Well, I'm just saying, like, I know I have to pick up. It's a mess, and I know it's late, but Mama got it. Mama got it. Okay. Let's see. Ah. Hold on, I might have to get the tractor out too. Hold on. We'll grab that and see. Because this one says that tractor life, so we could do like that farm life or something. That might be cute. Okay, so there's that. Okay. Small though. Yeah, it's small. Maybe we can do something like life, no, on the farm. That farm right there. This is gonna drive me nuts. What am I doing? What did I say something? Fresh farm. Farm fresh. What we trying to say anyway? Okay. Say farm. Oh. You know, it would have been awesome is if my chickens were now up here. It's like part of the OCD coming out. This has gotta be right, y'all. It's gotta get, it's like driving me nuts when, okay. See, that's farm life. Farm life. Oh. What do you think, Paige? You still on there with me, girl? What do you think? Put that farm life, but you know, like not in that. Bring it out. What you think? Or the farm life? Okay. Or life is better on the farm. Keep it simple. What? Yes. Yes to what? Y'all, Facebook, so annoying. So late. Which one? This one? Or the one I had up before? My husband's done passed out on the sofa. He is snoring. So just in case y'all hear weird noises, it's probably my dryer and my husband snoring. What is it? Keep it like this. Okay. Deal. I think that would work great too, because then I'll have perfect room for my handles. Unless I turn it into a lazy Susan. What y'all think? Should it be a serving board or should we do a lazy Susan? I like that. Great, Sharon, yay. Okay. Okay. So, again, this has been buffed. So, about like right there. Hold on, I done got my board crooked. Okay, board. All right. About like right there. Life is better on the farm. That's what we're going with. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna hold it up, you guys. I gotta see if this is straight. Okay. Yes. Okay, we're good. Okay, now. Hold on. I cannot see it. You better give me a minute. Where's the wipe? Now, of course, the wipes are going to go missing in action. It's blow dryer out and everything, you guys. Okay. So, no big deal. Hold on. Now I'm just gonna go wash this paper right back. I'm clumsy. I tend to make a lot of noises. Okay. So, let me plug this up. Oh, okay. Now. Okay. Y'all still with me? Gotta love live. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm gonna try this looking on. Now I gotta make sure it's lined up again. Goodness. Okay. Make sure that bad boy is down. That's what I should have did. This. Here we go. That ain't going nowhere. Just always want to scrape that extra and put it back in here. And y'all like and share for me, you guys. If you like it, share it. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I'm supposed to put that in the back, but we're gonna do that right now. Just stick it to there. Let's make sure this bad boy down here is on good. No bubbles, no bubbles. Okay. I'm glad I ordered me a new white. I don't know what I would do. You can never have enough white or black. Scrape. I'll do it one more time. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness, I love it. I want to keep everything I make, but I can't keep it all. Okay. What'd you say? I want this, please. You want the transfer or you want the board? What you want, Sharon? These chickens are gorgeous, aren't they? Love it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let me turn it around and then I'll flip y'all's camera so y'all can see it. Okay, let me turn the, there you go. Isn't it cute? And this is just an 18-inch round. And I use the chicken transfer and then Life is Better on the Farm transfer, but that is currently sold out. I love it. Isn't it cute? I can't wait to get the rooster. I'm so excited. If you would just hurry up and get here already. All right. So I got to poly it. And then once I do that, I will add the handles and post for you guys what it looks like when it's completely finished. I think I'm just gonna leave it white. Hold on, is that crooked? Maybe it's just me. Hold on, you guys. I can't help it. Oh, okay. No, it's just me. All right, my head is pounding. I'm gonna get it off of here. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you for hopping on. Like and share if you loved it. Y'all have a wonderful night.